we go home. We need to use this occasion to re-ask, are we doing enough to measure the impact of what we are doing to promote hand washing in Indonesia? Therefore, let's emphasize our very simple message. Biasa bersih, hidup jadi sehat. Clean hands save lives. There are many examples of good practice that we can replicate. For example, STBM, the National Total Sanitation and Hygiene Program, promotes 5 key healthy behaviors, and hand washing with soap is one of them. So it is a part of our national program that it's our duty to support. Government, local communities and their leaders, civil society, faith-based networks, medical professionals, as well as private sector need to work together to echo this message. Again and again, the importance of hand washing with soap. UNICEF acknowledged partners such as Indomaret for the support on today's events, and to other partners here today, including Unilever. We see a very important role of the private sector in supporting this national program. The message needs to be reinforced not only at our homes, at the puskesmas, in the schools, at work, at places where we go to worship, and places of recreation. UNICEF is working with MUI, Kementerian Kesehatan and Bapanas to provide guidance to local religious leaders to talk and discuss with their communities about good hygiene, good sanitation, including hand washing. Positive support from MUI will soon see a fatwa issued on the important topic. I am asking you today, let us also set our own target, individually and together as a community. Mari kita 100% semua cuci tangan pakai sabun sebelum makan dan setelah buang air di jamban. Anak-anak sekalian, I want to say, we need your help. Tell your parents, tell everybody at home, your grandparents, brothers and sisters, what you have learned today. Anak-anakku, kalian adalah penerus bangsa ini. Kalian harus sehat, maka cucilah tanganmu memakai sabun. Terima kasih atas kerjasama dan dukungan ibu. Semoga Anda selalu sukses. Ayo biasakan cuci tangan pakai sabun. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih Mr. Nandi. Selanjutnya Bapak Ibu sekalian akan sama-sama kita simak sambutan dari WHO atau WHO World Health Organization. So we will kindly invite Mr. Syarat Adhikari, who is the WHO representative for Indonesia, to give the speech.
Selamat pagi, Bapak-bapak, Ibu-ibu, dan anak-anak sekalian. Good morning to all of you. Please permit me to speak in English. Ibu Menteri Kesehatan, Bapak Director, dan Ibu Sekjen Kesehatan, dan Ibu Director Bapenas, dan Bapak Governor, dan the representatives from UNICEF and various other national and international agencies working for hygiene and sanitation in Indonesia. I'm feeling very much privileged to speak on behalf of WHO on this auspicious occasion organized to mark and observe Global Hand Washing Day 2015. Hand washing with soap at critical moments during the day is proven to be very effective and inexpensive intervention to help avoid diarrheal disease up to 50% in communities with special benefit to children. WHO mentions that hand washing with soap is a life-saving intervention within the technological and financial reach of all countries and communities. But promoting it requires appeals not necessarily to health, but to the other things that people value, such as comfort, social status, nurture, and a wish to avoid disgust. Bapa-bapa, ibu-ibu, 5 facts that every one of us should know about hand washing with soap are: washing hand with water alone is not enough. Hand washing with soap can prevent diseases, both conventional and new emerging communicable diseases that kills millions of people, particularly children, globally every year. The critical moments for hand washing with soap are often using the toilet or cleaning child and before handling of food. Hand washing with soap is single most cost-effective health intervention, often known as self-vaccine. And social marketing approaches that center on the potential hand washer with his or her specific motivations that are more effective than traditional disease-focused approach. By educating people about these facts, we can work with community to lower the disease burden and prevent children from diarrhea and pneumonia as 2 major killer diseases and avail them with opportunity to grow up healthier and happier. In Indonesia, STBM is one of the successful community interventions that work on the 5 pillars, as my colleague mentioned earlier. They are: stop open defecation, promote hand washing with soap, improve household water treatment, sound management of solid waste, and handling of the liquid and the drainage. It has added value on the hand washing promotion with integrating it with the interventions in promoting water quality, sanitation, and waste management. In the long run, and with the commitments from the multi-stakeholders, Global Hand Washing Day can become a powerful platform for advocacy aimed at policymakers and key stakeholders, and could remain as an occasion for concrete public commitment to action that will provoke for behavioral change among public for hygienic behavior and sanitary practices in their day-to-day activity. Hand washing with soap has also remained successful to bridge between water and sanitation and promote personal hygiene at all age groups, along with the reduction of the water and gaps in achieving MDG targets and SDG ahead beyond 2015 in national perspective. Bapa-bapa, ibu-ibu, October 15 every year is celebrated as Global Hand Washing Day by bringing different programs all across the country targeting to the people at the different groups and age, and working with the schools, communities, and governments at national and local levels to raise the profile of hand washing with soap. This year, the day has been assigned with the slogan, Raise a Hand for Hygiene. Raise a Hand for Hygiene. I believe programs this year we also remain to be more able to build partnership, commitment, and achievement on the promotion of the hand washing with soap by reinforcing it with the broader national framework of STBM and WAS. Interventions at different settings in line with the building on MDG and preparing up the working towards upcoming SDG. Thank you very much.
Terima kasih Mr. Adhikari. Bapak Ibu hadirin sekalian, adik-adik, kita sampai di sambutan puncak, kita sama-sama akan simak sambutan dari Menteri Kesehatan Republik Indonesia yang nanti langsung dirangkaikan dengan penandaan puncak Hari Cuci Tangan Pakai Sabun 2015. Langsung kami undang dengan hormat Ibu Nila Farid Muluk.
Baik adik-adik sekalian, anak-anakku sekalian, siapa yang sudah cuci tangan, pakai sabun, yuk kita ke sini yuk. Ayo.
Kumpul dekat Ibu. Bisa nyanyi lagu cuci tangan?
Bisa.
Oh, bisa.
Ayo, 1, 2, 3.
Aku punya kebiasaan baru yang ku dapat dari ibu, supaya tanganku bersih selalu, kuman menempel aku tak mau. Ayo teman-teman cuci tangan pakai sabun bersamaku. Begini caranya, 1, 2, 3. Basahi tangan, di bawah air mengalir, gosok sabun ke telapak tanganmu, dan sela jari, punggung tanganmu juga, jangan lupa kuku-kuku. Bilas lalu keringkan, pakai handuk atau tisu. Aku punya kebiasaan baru yang ku dapat dari ibu, supaya tanganku bersih selalu, kuman menempel aku tak mau. Kapan sebelum makan, kapan lagi habis dari kamar mandi, lalu kapan lagi habis pegang hewan, tangan harus bersih selalu. Tanganku bersih, tanganmu juga, tanganku dan tanganmu bebas kuman. Cuci tangan, pakai sabun, aku sehat, kamu juga.
Terima kasih, bagus sekali ya Kak Lula ya.
Sekarang selanjutnya Ibu kita akan cuci tangan sama-sama Bu, tapi
Iya.
sebelumnya natural leader sama duta lingkungan akan dinobatkan Bu, diberi
Iya.
selempang dan diberi hadiah karena hari ini memang pemberian hadiah untuk mereka Bu.
Baik, saya
Iya.
kira terima kasih ya
Iya.
duta-duta lingkungan sehat
Iya.
dan natural
Natural
leader itu
leader.
artinya yang menjadi apa ya pemimpinnya ya.
Oke.
Ya kita harus ikut dengan pemimpin yang baik,
Iya.
yang bagus.
Ya.
Oke, bersih pangkal sehat, rajin pangkal pandai. Semua pandai ya?
Iya.
Iya, semua mau jadi presiden?
Mau. Jadi menteri juga mau ya, Menteri Kesehatan. Ibu,
Iya.
karena
Baik,
sudah sampai
oke.
di sini
Yuk,
kita
boleh
boleh
kita
melepaskan
kembali.
balon dulu Bu. Coba kasih jalan buat Ibu Menteri. Ibu boleh naik panggung Bu, adik-adik biar pegang balon. Jadi nanti kalau Ibu Menteri memencet sirine, adik-adik melepaskan balon. Oke, sudah ya. Kita hitung sama-sama adik-adik, kita hitung. 3, 2, 1. Iya, kasihan balonnya ya, lepas balonnya. Oke, baik. Saya undang semua natural leader untuk naik ke atas panggung. Semua natural leader akan ada penobatan. Saya undang juga Pak Imran, Direktur Penyihatan Lingkungan untuk mendampingi Ibu Menteri Kesehatan. Pak Imran boleh mendampingi Ibu, Pak. Kita akan melakukan penobatan Duta Lingkungan Sehat 2015 dan juga Natural Leader 2015. Wah, bagus ya.
Tanganku bersih, tanganmu juga, tanganku dan tanganmu bebas kuman.
Iya, Duta Lingkungan Sehat 2015 ini ada Afika Nepa Maharani dari Kepulauan Riau, ada Nimas Mutiara Hapsari dari Jawa Tengah, ada Ahmad Alfido Dinova dari NTB, ada M. Ikram Alfarizi dari Sumatera Selatan, dan Nur Hidayah Adin dari Sulawesi Tenggara. Iya, yang paling jauh Adin nih ya kayaknya. Natural Leader 2015 yang terpilih adalah yang pertama Agustina Litsyowati dari Jawa Tengah, Daini dari Kalimantan Selatan, Afriyanti dari Sumatera Barat, Bapak Sumarno dari Jambi, dan Prihatin Sri Wahyuni dari Yogyakarta.
Ayo teman-teman, cuci tangan, pakai sabun bersamaku. Begini caranya, 1, 2, 3. Cukup 20 detik.
Selamat ya buat Duta Lingkungan Sehat dan Natural Leader ya. Terima kasih banyak untuk bantuannya ya. Untuk tentunya menyehatkan Indonesia. Tangan bersih, pangkal sehat. Iya. Ibu, selanjutnya kita akan memberikan kenang-kenangan untuk para mitra. Iya. Baik, mitra akan saya undang. Teman-teman wartawan siap-siap agak menyingkir nanti ya. Pertama dari PT Reckitt Benckiser Indonesia. Kemudian saya undang perwakilan dari WHO, perwakilan dari UNICEF, perwakilan dari PT Unilever Indonesia, perwakilan dari SNV Netherlands Development Organization, perwakilan dari IUWASH USAID, kemudian perwakilan dari Plan International Indonesia, perwakilan dari MCA Indonesia, perwakilan dari Wahana Visi Indonesia, dan perwakilan dari PT BNI Persero Tbk.
Yang ku dapat
Dari BNI Persero, dari MCA,
tanganku,
dari Plan International Indonesia. Ayo yang belum pegang, airnya belum jalan, sebentar, tenang. Airnya tolong dinyalakan, sudah.
begini caranya, 1, 2, 3.
Ayo jangan lupa kuku-kukunya.
Basahi tangan.
Ada 7 langkah cuci tangan yang benar sampai ke pergelangan